this is Resonator here. This is my unboxing video of Conquest, the last argument of kings. I saw an event shared by Kastle, Sacramento called Path of Conquest. It was this game in this bundle here. And after about 5 or 6 days of thinking about it, I decided to go ahead and pull the trigger and go purchase this box set that came with 2 expansion packs for free. The Steel Legion and the Marksman clones. And this is my unboxing. This is the main 2-starter box here. Alright. Let's look at the back side of the box first, real quick. Just so you can take a quick look. Quick gander. And let's go ahead and open this up, see what we got in here. Come on, you can do it. There we go. Ooh, we got horses right off the top. Let's put these cards aside here. Oh yeah, those are horses right there. Nice cool shields. Oh, that's a big lance. I like it already. Here's some other, that's a rulebook it looks like, and some dice. Oh man, these are cool. Another set of horses. What are these? Oh, something big and beastly. You can see claws. What is this outside? Maybe a rib cage there? Yeah, and it's, oh, that's the back plating. Arms. Here's a claw. That must be a foot. Here's the next one. Got some bases here. Ooh, they're not too thin. This part's really thick though. Oh, that's a big kind of mace thing. Some archers. Everything's holding on pretty well. Here's some more guys. I'm pretty sure these are the knights. Got the shields and they look like they're kind of wearing. Yeah, there's armor on these guys. See, this one's just about basically the same one as that last one. Ooh, here's something different. These must be the Spire clone guys. Yeah, you can see the mummy kind of wrap looking things. Ooh, these are gonna be wicked to paint. Oh, it's got a hole in it. Huh. I wonder if that's supposed to be there. Here's their weapons, little arrow weapons. Or spears of some sort. These are interesting shields. Yeah, see that one had a hole in it. I don't think they were supposed to have a hole. No, this one has a hole too. This one has a hole. I guess it's this design. Interesting. So here's another one. This is another set just like these last two. It looks like there's another one here. Looks like there's another beastly dude. Oh yes, I think this is his head. It's a little different than the other guy. And then here's the last sprue. Ooh, this is a big mummy guy, huh? Ooh, there's big hand weapons here. Looks like you may have some choices here of weapons to choose, or maybe he's got 4 arms. So these are all the bases here. So they have the, I guess this is a perfect example of it. You got your big flat one, and then you put your miniature base into it, and yeah, you clean off that. And then you can take it out. You got your moving trays. All these, here's the square moving trays. Yeah. Oh, so here's a kind of a better example. Let me open this up here real quick. So you got a square moving tray with the 4 different 32mm squares, so you can move the squad of 4, I guess, at a time. I'm guessing there's actually, I'm pretty sure it's like this. There's going to be 12 in a group.
move the whole squad up. That's kind of cool. So those are all the bases.
I'm going to fast forward through the rest of the bases and the rule books, which I found out after reading it was outdated, and there's a new PDF online and a new companion hardcover book that's available. It has a lot of lore in it too, so that hardcover companion is pretty cool.
Here's the map of the world. And the last thing that was in this one is these cards. Let's see what we got here. They're kind of cool. Oh, here's the guy with the big things. Come on, there you go.
The rest of the command cards for the 100 Kingdoms and objective cards.
The box. Back of the box. Feels kind of light. I'm pretty sure it's just the guys in there and their bases. Yeah. And here's the trays and their bases. Ooh, there's a standard. That's pretty cool. And here's the guys. 2 sets of sprues. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11. 11? 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 12. Oh, 13 plus a leader, looks like. And so then it also comes with, these are pretty cool armor. With the little card, Steel Legion. Let's see. Oh, it just has a little card and it has a little barcode on it. Oops. Yes. Oops. And then let's look back quick. So you can see the models painted. I'll eventually paint these. So again, you got your, oh, this can go in there. Your bases. Oh, that's a wicked standard. And then he's got this little thing. I'm not sure what that is, but it's pretty neat. Here, hold on. Oops. Yeah. And then you got the standard and stuff. Yeah, these are definitely cooler. Cool pieces. Oh, these freaking arrows are crazy thin. Hopefully they don't break. This is basically the same thing. And then this is the last one. Oh, I thought that'd be oh, I think this may be the leader. I'm not sure. Can't see that. And then they have the one card in here, Marksman Clone. I'm not gonna take it out, but that's all that's in here.